What's the value in being so civilized if we lose contact with our animal nature, with our wildness, with our passion, with our frenzy, with our fury, with our dynamic expression? Being civilized for what purpose? Civilized for being good, for fitting in, for behaving well, for pleasing others? Creativity desires, needs, requires passion, wildness, freedom. For it's from the chaos that new life is born. From the order, comes a repetition of the past, or just a gradual development or modification of what was yesterday, tomorrow. But as we touch into our wildness, our animality, the passion, the vital life force, our primordial sense of being, then we touch into the enormity of the power of nature. And from here, we create enormous, powerful expressions of life. So much fear around releasing control, about letting go into the unknown. Think carefully where these fears have risen from. Are they really your own? Or have they been handed down in some covert form of manipulation to disempower you from this source energy? So I invite you to reclaim your wildness, your passion, your freedom, so you may be a deliberate creator, co-creator with existence. Living, expressing, feeling, operating from the passion of the wild heart of the universe.